Energy efficiency isn't just a business decision. Often, owners feel it's an obligation or a belief in doing something bigger than just your project. That's why high-performance buildings aren't just a fad. They serve an important need for owners and operators and the surrounding community. There are many trade-offs to consider in designing a high-performance building, so it's important to set clear objectives for the project at the outset. If the goal is to reduce total cost of ownership for the building, cost-benefit should be examined. If the goal is to meet sustainable or environmental objectives, costs may be less of a concern. Either way, it's important to involve engineers early in the design to ensure the final product meets the owner's needs while maintaining the right design and form to best suit the building's purpose. One great example of our work involves the Crown Towers, Sydney in Australia. This 70-story all-glass building elegantly glides and curves upward, providing a view of the Harbour Bridge and famous Opera House at the same time. As part of a larger building development district, the city's cooling and heating plant could only offer a limited amount of energy to the tower. Our challenge was to maximize usability within energy constraints, but maintain its elegant appearance and function. Because the owner involved us early in the project, we were able to make recommendations to save operational energy once the building goes into use. The biggest energy challenge came from solar gain through the many windows. Early on, we looked at rotating the tower 8 to 12 degrees to compensate. In doing so, the fantastic views would be lost, along with the price premiums for condos. Our solution then was a medium-grade glazing on all the windows, coupled with a harder look at other ways throughout the structure where we could find additional savings. To preserve the aesthetic appeal of the building, we got creative again. Because the roof of the building was an observation deck, we couldn't install mechanical systems there, as is common in older buildings. Instead, we found pockets of mezzanine space to install systems in places where such equipment typically isn't found. By doing this, we were able to take maximum advantage of usable space while preserving the patron experience. In the end, this project was a success because the team worked in concert toward a common goal. Because we looked at different options and made important decisions early on and along the way, we were able to stay true to the owner's objectives.